What is my main advantage of timesheet for Jira Cloud by iForward? Okay, let's see. We place here first the comment PHP programming. Let's fix mistyping, and now I double click this and then press backspace and press 8 and then tabulator and 8 tabulator, now 8 tabulator and press enter. Now this is made.